everyone, hope you're all Tickety-Boo. Today what we're going to be doing is balancing the Canon EOSR with the EF 16-35 f4 on the DJI RS2. Plus, if you've got any questions whatsoever, leave them in the comments down below. So here's today's little joke for you. Did you hear about the two thieves who stole a calendar? Each of them got 6 months.
Oh, it took longer than I expected.
Anyway, let's get on with those measurements. So the base plate here is set at 3.5 on this side and 5.8 on this side. Here's a close-up of that one. The one at the very bottom here is set at 0.3 and on this side and 4.2 on this side. Here's a close-up of that one. The arm at the back, that's set at 1.1 on this side and 4.9 on that side. Here's a close-up of this one. And the side arm is set at 1.9 at the top and 3.9 at the bottom. And here's a close-up of that one. Nice and simple, isn't it, to balance that one? And like I said, if you've got any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Hopefully you found this useful and hopefully you had a bit of fun. Listen to the jokes anyway. That's it for the day, everyone. Stay safe out there. Keep smiling. Till next time. Cheers and gone.